Good morning, everybody. Today we are talking some more about some of our different shapes. Yesterday we learned about this big yellow shape you see on my screen. Does anybody remember the name of it? What shape is this? This is a circle. I want you to think about what kind of a line is a circle made out of. Does it have straight lines and sides? No, it does not. If you look, see this little worm? He's right on the curve of a circle. A circle is made of one continuous curved line. Everybody put their finger on that little worm. And let's use our finger to trace around that circle. After you trace it with your finger, I want you to pick up your pencil and trace around the edge of that circle with your pencil. Circle is one continuous curved line. It does not have straight lines. It does not have corners. When you get that traced with your pencil, you can open up to the inside. We're going to do the same thing. What is this purple shape? It's a circle too. So first I want you to take your take your finger and trace that curved line. Then I want you to take your pencil and trace that curved line of the circle. And you can need some crayons for the next part. Let's come down by this yellow sun, and I want you to look at these three real-life objects. Which one of these is shaped like a circle? Said the clock. You're exactly right. Let's take our crayons and color that clock. It is shaped like a circle with one round, continuous line. Alright, this page, I've just got some drawing paper for you. I want you to see if you can find something in your house that is shaped like a circle. Maybe it's the cup, the rim of a cup. Maybe you have a coaster, a small plate. Something in your house that is shaped like a circle. And I want you to put it down on this dot paper and trace around the outside of it. We do a little bit of different activity if we're here at school with this page, but since you're at home, I want you to find a circle object, a real-life circle object in your house. Put it down. It has to be something small enough that will fit on this paper, and then trace around it and color that circle, okay? And then on the back page, I want you to listen to this riddle, and you're going to draw the shape I'm describing. I have a curved line. What shape am I? So I want you to draw that shape and then tell someone at your house the name of that shape. All right, great job. We'll talk about a different shape tomorrow. See you soon.